that is the issue we are dealing with right now. So you see, it clearly doesn't sound good, but we're gonna have to figure it out. But from the jump, it sounds like a misfire. I'm gonna check. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to pull this intake apart. Oh, I don't even think I have the screws for that. I don't know, I'm gonna pull the whole intake area apart, take off the fuel rail, and then I'm gonna take off the coil packs. I don't have a spark plug socket, but I'm gonna go out later and get one and figure out what is causing this. Actually, what I'm gonna do is, so I don't waste any time, you know, that thing is really annoying, but whatever. What I'm actually gonna do, instead of wasting time taking apart the intake side, I'm gonna start with the most likely probable cause, which would be the spark plugs and the coil packs. So I'm gonna get those removed, and then I'm gonna check each spark plug and see what they're looking like. So I'm not gonna do a tutorial on how to take these out. I already did that. Ironically, it was one of my first videos on my first E46. But I already showed that. If you want to know how to take out these spark plugs, link will be in the description. Is that supposed to? Yeah, it's fine. That's fine. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to really dive into it. But like I said, I'm gonna hit these coil packs and spark plugs, but this gotta come out along with a bunch of other shit. Bro, I pulled the fucking plug and it's like melt. Yo, hold up. I ain't never seen nothing like that. I ain't never seen nothing like that shit. It doesn't look like it was stuck in there though. Yo, what the fuck?
Hi.
Hold up. I legit have never seen nothing like this. I doubt it's the issue, but bruh, look at all these plugs. Right, normal, whatever, This shit is done waters. Hold up, is this one like this too? Okay, this one is cool. But yo, what the fuck is good? All right, I need to get a flashlight down there to see. Oh no, that's not good. That is not good. I don't know how we're gonna get that out. So I have no idea how something like that happens, but I'm not gonna sit here and dwell in it. I'm just gonna keep working. I have no idea how to get that out in there, but I'm gonna try to free up some room. What size is this? 18, needs to be a 19. Try and free up some room, see if I can like scrape it out. But I ain't never seen no shit like that. But now we need a 19. Let's get a 19. Or we can just use one of these bad boys to get this shit loose. All right, so we got it out. Pretty much wasted mad time going to a hardware store when I could have just used this flathead to just wedge it in there and scoop it out. So that's all good. And what we're left with is just the spark plug down there. So I got a spark plug tool, so I'm gonna go ahead and take all these out and see what we're talking about with all of them. So I pulled the plug, and I'm pretty positive spark plugs are not supposed to look like this. I've done my fair share of plugs, and it's definitely not this. So I'm gonna go over and pull the rest of them, see what those are looking like, but I'm pretty sure we pretty much found the issue with what's good with this car. Perfect example. I just went ahead and pulled a random plug, and see that? These two do not look anything near the same. So I'm actually gonna put this in the port that this came out of, just to make sure it's not stripped or anything, because if it is stripped, that'll be very bad. Hi, Raquel. Anyway, yeah, look at this. This is the bad one, right? Does that look right? That's a spark plug. This is what it's supposed to look like.
Why?
Exactly.
This not here.
Exactly. So I'm gonna order some new plug. Yeah. So we've pretty much found the issue. All right, peep game. So this is the bad spark plug. This port that it came out of is actually stripped, but these are all the other ones. They are clearly burnt out. So I'm gonna order some new ones, but before I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and rethread that hole. Not now, but I'm gonna have to look up some videos on how to rethread it, etc., etc. But it is gonna be a short video since we found what the issue is. We found what the issue is. Going to replace, well, pretty much all of these need to be replaced. I'm gonna start off with just rethreading right here. That needs to be rethreaded, and clean it up a bit. But we found the issue, and while I'm at it, I should replace this just to be safe. But short video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video where we fix that. Stay tuned. Don't be late.